Most people think AI is just a tool to make their jobs easier, but the truth is, it's a replacement waiting to happen. 3 AI tools are already being used to replace human workers, and if you don't adapt, you'll be left behind. The first AI tool that will replace your job is the automated content writer. This AI can produce high-quality content at a fraction of the cost and time it takes a human writer. But, how can you profit from this? By learning how to use these AI tools to your advantage. You can offer your services as an AI trainer or consultant, helping businesses implement these tools. The second AI tool that will replace your job is the virtual customer service agent. This AI can handle customer inquiries and resolve issues faster and more efficiently than a human. But, what about the jobs that require creativity and empathy? Can AI really replace those? The answer is yes, and it's already happening. The third AI tool that will replace your job is the predictive analyst. This AI can analyze data and make predictions faster and more accurately than a human. But, how can you stay ahead of the curve? By continuously learning and adapting to new technologies. You can take online courses or attend workshops to learn about AI and its applications. The key to success in an AI-driven world is to be proactive, not reactive. You must anticipate the changes that are coming and prepare yourself for the future. So, what are you waiting for? Take the first step towards securing your financial future. Learn about agentic AI and how to profit from it. Don't miss out on this chance to stay ahead of the curve. The future is now, and it's time to take action. Subscribe to our channel for more videos on AI and its applications.